Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why this automation is so crucial. Firstly, it ensures consistency. Every customer gets the same timely request, increasing your chances of getting a review. Secondly, it saves an incredible amount of time and resources. No more manual tracking or follow-ups. Thirdly, it leads to more reviews. The easier you make it for customers, the more likely they are to leave feedback. And finally, positive reviews directly impact your bottom line. They build trust, improve your search engine rankings, and ultimately drive more leads to your business. Now, let's get down to business. The core of automating reviews in ServiceTitan lies within its Marketing Pro feature, specifically the reputation section. If you don't have Marketing Pro enabled, reach out to your ServiceTitan representative to get it set up. It's an investment that pays for itself in spades. Once you're in Marketing Pro, navigate to Reputation. Here, you'll see a dashboard that gives you an overview of your current review performance. But our focus today is on setting up the automation. Look for the Automation tab or a similar setting that allows you to create new campaigns. The first step is to define your trigger. This is the event that prompts ServiceTitan to send out a review request. The most common and effective trigger is job completed. This means that as soon as a technician closes out a job in the field, the automation kicks in. You can also consider other triggers like invoice paid, but job completed often yields better results as the customer's experience is fresh in their mind. Next, you need to decide when the review request is sent. ServiceTitan allows you to set a delay. A good starting point is usually 30 minutes to an hour after the job is completed. This gives the customer a little time to process the service without forgetting about it. Sending it too soon can feel intrusive, and sending it too late can diminish the impact. Experiment with this timing to see what works best for your customer base. Now, let's talk about the message itself, the heart of your review request. ServiceTitan provides templates, but you'll want to customize these to reflect your brand's voice and personality. Here are some key elements to include. First, a polite greeting and a clear thank you for their business. Something like, "Hi, customer name. Thank you for choosing your company name for your recent service." Second, a clear and concise request for a review. Be direct but friendly. "We hope you had a great experience. Would you mind taking a moment to leave us a review on platform?" Third, and this is crucial, provide direct links to your preferred review platforms. Google My Business is almost always a must-have. If you're in a specific trade, consider industry-specific review sites like Angie, HomeAdvisor, or Yelp, but be strategic. Don't overwhelm customers with too many options. Start with one or two key platforms where you want to build your presence. ServiceTitan allows you to add multiple links, and it often intelligently directs customers to the best platform for them. Fourth, consider a call to action that emphasizes the importance of their feedback. "Your feedback helps us improve and serve you better," or "Your review helps other homeowners find reliable service." Fifth, remember to personalize the message. ServiceTitan's dynamic fields allow you to automatically pull in customer names, technician names, and even service details, making the message feel less like an automated blast and more like a personal outreach. You'll also want to set up filters. This is where you can refine who receives review requests. For example, you might only want to send requests for completed jobs with a certain revenue threshold, or exclude certain types of jobs where a review might not be appropriate. You can also exclude customers who have already left a review within a certain time frame to avoid over-messaging. A critical, often overlooked, aspect of review automation is dealing with negative feedback. ServiceTitan has a smart solution for this. You can set up a system where if a customer indicates a less than positive experience, e.g., by selecting a low star rating in a pre-review survey, they are redirected to an internal feedback form instead of a public review site. This gives you an opportunity to address their concerns directly and privately, potentially turning a negative experience into a positive one before it ever hits the public eye. This is a game changer for reputation management. Once you've configured your triggers, delays, messages, links, and filters, it's time to test, and test again. Send a few test review requests to yourself or your team members to ensure all the links work, the personalization is correct, and the message flows smoothly. Don't launch it live until you're absolutely confident everything is working as intended. After launching, don't just set it and forget it. Monitor your results regularly. ServiceTitan's reputation dashboard provides valuable insights into your review performance, including your average star rating, the number of reviews received, and where they're coming from. Use this data to fine-tune your strategy. Are you getting more reviews on one platform than another? Is there a particular time of day that yields more responses? Are certain technicians consistently receiving better reviews? This data is gold for improving your service and your review strategy. Finally, remember to respond to all reviews, both positive and negative. A quick thank you for a positive review reinforces customer loyalty. For negative reviews, a professional and empathetic response demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction and can even mitigate the damage of a poor review. ServiceTitan often integrates with Google My Business and other platforms, allowing you to respond directly within the ServiceTitan interface, streamlining your workflow even further. Automating reviews with ServiceTitan isn't just about getting more stars. It's about building a robust system that continually collects valuable customer feedback, strengthens your online reputation, and ultimately drives sustainable growth for your business. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging technology to amplify your customer service efforts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.